How to add a video overlay or simply have a video on top of the main video that you're editing with PowerDirector editor app. To add a video overlay or put a small video over the main video, you want to move your timeline as to where you want this video to be inserted. So let's say you are editing the main video here and you want to put a small video somewhere around here, maybe in this area here or there. So wherever your marker is, the timeline bar is here now, you will go to where it says overlay, this tool right there. As you can see down here, you'll tap on it and you'll see photo or video. So select video as an option. Then once you see these options here show up for you, you are now going to look for that video that you want to insert. And what you can do is long press the video to get an idea of what that video is. So go ahead and long press it. It's gonna show you what it's like or what the video is about. And then now you can single tap it. It's gonna appear here on your video itself. Now there are a few things you can do with a inserted video overlay. One, you can shrink the size of it by doing this like that here. And usually if you hold it down, you will be able to move it around like this here. Okay, and why I say usually, that's because sometimes you may hold it down and you will notice that it doesn't allow you to move it, okay? But once you hold it down and you get it right, you can place it where you want it to be on your video. So maybe I want it here, up here, and I want it to be a little bit smaller than this here, and I'm going to place it there now, okay? Now, if you don't see it anymore, simply move your timeline and just select it to make some more changes to it, okay? And again, you can see now it's not letting me to move it around. So it's a bit on the buggy side, but once you get it, you will be able to move it, okay? You can also rotate it with this here, this little icon here, and you can also adjust the volume of that video, the speed of it. You can also crop this inserted video. So maybe you don't want it to show all of this here. You can go to transform and go to crop over here. This is going to allow you to crop that inserted video, adjust the size by pulling on these panels here and press the check mark, and it'll be a little bit smaller. You also got a few more other options, such as adding the video animation, which is the motion option here. You can add these here, which I'll do a separate tutorial on. And basically this is it. Your video overlay will appear like this here. The main video is going to be playing. And if you add a motion or animation, it'll appear like this here. And that's how you would go about adding a video overlay on the video you're editing, like and sub.